C-Smart Welding Robot. C-Smart Welding and Cutting Robots deliver precision welding and cutting based on client designs. Robot operators are required to obtain the same licenses as traditional welders. The method statement has been approved by multiple authorities and organizations, including the Drainage Services Department and Henderson Land Development. Example: hull cap plate. Traditional oxy-fuel cutting requires additional manual grinding afterward. Robotic plasma cutting is cleaner, significantly reducing grinding work. Manual overhead welding is physically exhausting and poses safety risks. Robotic overhead welding uses auto trajectory for better safety and less labor. Comparison of hull cap welding results. Robotic welding delivers superior quality and higher efficiency than manual work. Manual U-bar welding. Traditionally, U-bars are welded manually. Robotic U-bar welding creates cleaner, more stable, and consistent welds. Third-party inspections confirm all robotic welds meet client standards. Efficiency improvement. 11 hull cap plates, 12 days manually versus 6 days with robotics, twice the efficiency. C-Smart Cutting Robot. We need to punch holes in a sealing iron plate. Perform hole punching processing. Punch a total of 116 holes and allow the rebar to pass through smoothly. We are introducing the C-Smart Cutting Robot. It can adapt to various cutting scenarios. The robot is composed of 3 parts: a robot chassis, a robotic arm, and a plasma cutting machine. Taking cutting a set of 20 holes as an example. Through center positioning. A machining hole can be planned with 3-point visual calibration. The robot will automatically calculate the cutting trajectory to perform the cut. The robot can also perform continuous cutting operations. Output finished product. Hole diameter meets the standard. Penetration test is smooth and effective. The cutting results meet the site requirements. The final results show manual hole punching can complete 80 holes a day. The robot can punch 120 holes a day. The robot's efficiency is 1.5 times that of manual labor.